Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to activate Salik tag online. So when you will open your Salik tag, first of all you will see this QR code. You will have to scan it with your phone's camera and it's gonna show you a link to click on. You will just click on that link and it will redirect you to this page where it's going to tell you should have three things. First of all, it's going to be the Salik tag and the key, which is going to be something like this on your Salik, and after that you should have an active mobile number and you should have a vehicle registration card. If you have all these three, just tick these two boxes and click on next. So once this page opens, first of all you will have to put the tag number which is gonna be on your Salik tag, and the key is gonna be also right next to the tag number, which you can see on my video. And I will put the tag number and the tag key. Once I'm done with that, I will select my country, and now I will have to put TC number, which is gonna be on your vehicle registration card right here where you can see on this picture. You will have to put that number here, and once you're done with that you'll have to select your Emirates. Mine is Dubai, and now category I will put private, and after that I will have to put my plates letter first of all and then my plates number. Once I am done with this, I will click on next here and it will open a new page for me where I will have to confirm that all the details of my vehicle are good, and I will click on it and say okay. Now the last step will be to go through all the details which you put and make sure everything is correct, and once you are sure you just click on submit, and once you click on submit it will take some time to process that, and once it's done it will show you a confirmation message that your Salik tag is being activated. Now you can go and download the PDF file as well in case you want to have it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.